Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We have unit number 104, 2015 CRF450. It just had the warranty work done on the engine by the dealer, and they went through the transmission and decided everything was great. Looked at the head. It does have a fresh piston, rings, and everything else was looked over, and if there were any issues, any bearings or anything in the transmission, all that was done. Really nice bike, nice aftermarket stuff for seats and plastic and everything. Everything looks really clean, brakes are nice, everything's really tight as far as like the Kickstarter snaps in good and tight, so I don't think it has many hours. Looking at the frame, it doesn't look like it's been ridden hard or ridden rough. It's early in the morning, so I'm not going to rev it up like crazy, but I'm going to start it here if I can.